Good morning, students. So today we are going to solve the worksheet given by Anupama ma'am. Okay. So this is the solution of the worksheet. So let's start. So the first question is, if a motorboat covers 20 kilometer in 1 hour 40 minutes, then find the following. Okay, there are three parts A, B, C. So the first part is, how far will it go in 15 minutes? How far will it go in 15 minutes? So before starting, we'll convert this 1 hour 40 minutes into minutes, because here you have to find the distance covered in 15 minutes. Okay, and here it is given 1 hour 40 minutes. So first we'll convert this 1 hour 40 minutes into minutes. So the solution is, first one, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, all of you know. Then 1 hour 40 minutes equals to, this 1 hour means 60 minutes, and this 40 minutes you have to add. So 60 plus 40, 100 minutes. That means in place of 1 hour 40 minutes, we will write down 100 minutes. Now how to write down the statement? In 100 minutes, boat covers 20 kilometer, because it is already given 20 kilometer. In 1 minute, boat covers, so obviously in 1 minute the boat will cover less distance, and less distance means you have to divide. So in 1 minute, boat covers 20 by 100 kilometer. Okay, 20 by 100 kilometer. And in 15 minutes, boat covers, so it will be 20 by 100 into 15 kilometer. Now here 20 into 15 means 300, and by 100. So after dividing, your answer will come 3 kilometer. That means in 15 minutes, the boat will cover 3 kilometer. Now the second part, question number B. How much distance will it cover in half an hour? Obviously half an hour means, all of you know, 1 hour means 1 hour means 60 minutes. So half an hour means 30 minutes. Okay. So again the same statement, in 100 minutes, boat covers 20 kilometer. In 1 minute, boat covers 20 by 100 kilometer. In 30 minutes, boat covers 20 by 100 into 30 kilometer. So after multiplying 20 into 30, it will come 600. So 600 by 100, your answer will come 6 kilometer. That means in 30 minutes, the boat covers 6 kilometer. Okay. This is the part B. So I hope A and B, the solution of A and B is clear to all of you. Now let's move to C. So this is C part. The question is, how much time will it take to go 100 kilometer? Now you have to find out the time that the boat will take to cover 100 kilometer. Now what statement you will write? To cover 20 kilometer, time taken 100 minutes. Now this one is already given in the question. To cover 20 kilometer, time taken 100 minutes. So to cover 1 kilometer, obviously 1 kilometer, the distance will be less. The time taken will be less. So you have to divide. To cover 1 kilometer, time taken is 100 by 20 minutes. And to cover 100 kilometer, time taken will be 100 by 20 into 100 minutes. So your answer will come 100 into 100, 10,000 by 20 minutes. If you divide, your answer is coming 500 minutes. Now, this 500 minutes, we can also convert into hour and minutes. How? Divide 500 with 60. If you divide with 60, 8 into 60, 480, and your remainder is coming 20. So your quotient is 8, that is hours, and remainder is 20, that is minutes. So 500 minutes means 8 hours 20 minutes. Okay? The solution is clear to all of you. Now, the question number 2. Question number 2, there are two parts, A and B. If a logboat, the question is if a logboat travel 6 kilometers in 1 hour. So part A, how long will it take to go a distance of 15 kilometers? Okay. So what is the solution? To cover 6 kilometers, time taken 1 hour. It's already given in the question. To cover 1 kilometer, obviously time taken will be less, so you have to divide. To cover 1 kilometer, time taken equals to 1 by 6 hours. And to cover 15 kilometer, time taken will be 1 by 6 into 15 hours. That is 1 15 is a 15, 15 by 6. And if you divide, your answer will come 2.5. How? 6 to the 12 after subtraction 3. Now you have to give one decimal here and write down 1 0. Only 1 0 at a time. And 5 6 are 30. So your answer is coming 2.5 hours. That means to go 15 kilometer, time taken is 2.5 hours. Okay. So this is the solution of part A. Question 2, part A. Now, the last part, that is part B. This is the question. The question is how far would it go in 3.5 hours? Now, it means here logboat. How far would it go in 3.5 hours? Now, obviously, half hour means 30 minutes. So first, this question, what we will do, we'll first find out the distance covered in 3 hours. Then we will find out the distance covered in half hours, and then we'll add it together. So what is the statement? In 1 hour, distance covered is 6 kilometers. It's given in the question. So in 3 hours, distance covered will be 6 into 3, 18 kilometers. It's simple. Now, we'll find out the distance covered in half hours. In half hour, the distance covered will be 3 kilometers. Now, why 3 kilometers? Because in 1 hour, distance covered is 6 kilometers. So, in half hour, so distance covered will be half, that is 3 kilometers. Now, therefore, total distance covered in 3.5 hours. Now, what you have to do? You have to add this 18 and 3. So 18 plus 3 kilometers, that is 21 kilometers. Why you have to add? Because this is the distance covered in 3 hours and this is the distance covered in half hours. So together 3.5 hours. That's why you have to add 18 plus 3 kilometers, 21 kilometers. So I hope all the solutions are clear to you. Thank you.